Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. If you are returning, what's up, Ray Babes? If you are new here, hello, my name is Ariel Rayvon, and what are you doing?
Nothing.
So, it's Sunday, so as promised, I will be doing a room video. I am finishing my room today. My room looks a hot mess. I'm so ashamed, but I'm about to show you guys what it looks like.
It's so hot.
It's not hot in here.
It's hot outside.
I can't believe I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
It's hot
but
outside.
We are gonna get this together today. I'm so excited to finally be able to be comfortable in my room.
And me.
Come later. So
And
I'm
me.
gonna go ahead and flip the camera.
And
So yeah, as you can see, this room looks a mess, but it won't for long. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get these boxes out of here because they're empty, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on this room flip. So let's do it.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you without you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had in this place on.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. You thought I was feeling you?
Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had in this place on. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you?
Y'all, I really just eyed this like in my head. And it's like perfect. Wait, I could scoot the TV over a little bit, but like level wise, that's pretty straight. Ooh. Okay. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. I had to use this to prop the camera up, but we're getting there. Got some pictures put up here.
look at me.
What's up?
What's up? Hi.
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 What you gotta say?
Good morning.
It's afternoon.
Afternoon.
Subscribe down below.
Subscribe down low.
Period.
Period.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you without you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all.
Okay, so like it's green, but like I don't like it. I don't like it because my bed doesn't match it. So I'm gonna have to change my comforter set, which I was gonna do anyway, because the colors for my room is gonna be green, cream, white, which is why we got this. The white in there, the black matches that. So I'm gonna have green decorations, which is where you get this from, and all that other kind of stuff. So this is just the beginning phase, but this comforter set is going to change at some point, which is why I got the green Sherpa blanket. So yeah, just so y'all know. I know that this don't really match, but we're at work in progress. Be patient with me. All right.
Show you something, give you more than words. We've had in this place on.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, let you right around the talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I you do know, but never fall out of.
All right, guys, so that's pretty much all there is for this room right now. Eventually, I will be adding plants and all the other kind of stuff, but just for the beginning, this is what we got. It took 2 months to get here pretty much, and I'm so excited to actually like enjoy my room, not being stuffed with boxes, and actually be able to relax in here. I showed you guys the candle because they said that the scent was like limited edition and it smells so good. So if you go to Walmart and you happen to see it, you should get it. It's also essential for me because for some reason, I think one of my neighbors, either upstairs or downstairs, smokes weed. So my room be smelling like weed. I don't like that because I don't smoke no more. I don't smoke. Not no more. I don't smoke. Let's just say that. I don't smoke. So yeah, this is the complete look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.